We have an accident right here on Hollywood and High Bar.
Oh, it's a tour dress.
It's a Mercedes and a motorcycle.
Oh, sorry, no.
Good thing the motorcycle guy isn't dead, because it's real easy to die on a motorcycle. Okay, tour van. Don't use this tour van.
Watch out behind you.
Watch out, watch out! Whoa! What's going on here?
You suck at driving.
Was she at fault? Because she seems
I'm
like
trying to tell you to watch out.
I don't know if she was at fault or not, but she seems like a terrible driver. She almost killed that cop. Hey guys, the Paparazzi Gamer here. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Every day we're putting out new stuff. I know you're going to like it. I'm also on Instagram, the Paparazzi Gamer, and Twitch, the Paparazzi Gamer. Follow